We got some yummy pizza for dinner. We rewarded ourselves this Sunday. Oh! We cleaned the house, cleaned the whole house today. It's freaking beautiful in here. And this is what we rewarded ourselves with. Pizza! Dunk's over there with beans.
Lean back, Gracie.
Come on, Gracie, you got your A game.
Lean back.
Help him, babe. They got an adult over there. Help him.
Oh, sliding out and falling my foot. Come on, Grace. Faster.
Big jump. Come on, Gabelle. Oh, he lost his shoe.
Oh, man.
Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, her foot is really bothering her. We're having lunch here. It's lunchtime at Fun Day. Morning, very colorful. Let's see what it is. Look at this. Happy Mother's Day.
This is my side. This is
Did you guys put stars on all this?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of stars. Look at this one, the real. Is it real?
Yeah.
Ah. You make me cry. Thank you, Steve.
Oh, this is going to make the tears roll.
Oh my God. You got me real flowers. Oh,
Should have got her not.
yes, thank you. Oh, you smash it with this one?
Just got to push it in.
Push it in there.
there.
These are cool. Thank you so much. And then this one's for your honey. Oh my. Okay, good. Good idea. Oh, flamingos. Oh. Oh, I love flamingos. I've always, all my life, I've always loved flamingos. This is really cool. Thank you.
Mom's, I
Alright, don't say that. Let me see you draw something fast. thing. I like it. That's fast. You want to see something I can draw fast? Let me show you. You can't wait till summer, Dad?
It's already too hot.
It's already too hot. You could get those ACs put in
Day off.
on Tuesday and Wednesday.
Yeah.
I can't remember if it's Tuesday, Wednesday, or Monday and Tuesday. One of the two.
And weather report.
A weather lady. Huh, weather cat. Weather
Hi.
cat.
Because
they're already fearful. I don't know.
Because they're under a buck.
you guys.
What?
What round stones were once used to pave streets?
To pave
Cobblestones.
streets?
Yeah.
Is an insect skeleton on the outside or the inside of its body?
Outside.
Yeah.
Inside.
That's why they call it exoskeleton.
How many inches in diameter is a baseball?
9.
Inches? Baseball?
10.
3 inches.
Oh my god, how did you know that?
You can see behind
Okay,
the
let's see if Dad knows this. We're trying to prop up our AC. Getting ready to rain, it looks like.
Right above that board. Yeah, right above, so you know where to look down. Yeah.
She died. Did you hear that? She said,
Oh, shoot them. Can you see me have that?
She is an assassin.
Gracie, don't say that. We are on our way to Atwood to go do a car show for catering, or catering for a car show. We've got little Gracie here. She's enjoying what she calls morning coffee. What's your morning coffee?
Hot chocolate.
And what are you watching?
I don't know.
You don't know what you're watching? It's a beautiful day after all the escapades of the tornadoes yesterday. There's all kinds of tornadoes all the way down the plains. There was one in McCook. Gracie and I almost went to McCook yesterday. We could have saw a real tornado.
I want to go there.
And then there was another tornado in Dodge City. There might have been more. There might have been not. I don't know. But I do know that there was one in McCook yesterday and there was one in Dodge City yesterday. So we got a long stretch of road because we barely got started. Huh, Grace? So, yes, ma'am. It's a nice, beautiful day. There's not a single cloud in the sky. Not one cloud. It's supposed to only go up to 75 today, which is going to be nice.